In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the microphone is missing on the keyboard of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, just tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will find the option for voice input. Now just tap on it. Now from here, instead of none, just select Google Voice or Samsung Voice. After you select either of them, now if you go to your home screen and if you open the keyboard of your Samsung phone, you will find the microphone on the keyboard. And you will be able to use the microphone on the keyboard of your Samsung phone. But for example, if you're still unable to find the microphone icon on the keyboard, just tap and hold on the keyboard icon over here. And after you do that, now instead of input method, just select voice input. As you can see, if I select input method, it will show me this keyboard icon. So just make sure you select voice input. And after you do that, the microphone icon will appear on the keyboard of your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.